Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Hosain Mohammad Maskat, student at Capital International University, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today I am going to talk about the application and importance of statistics and mm, data visualization and analysis with real life example. So first of all, I would like to thank our honorable host sir who teaches us each and everything of statistics with real life example. So now the at first I talk about application and importance. So there are a lot of application of statistics like healthcare, business, economics, engineering, education, science and technology, finance. So there are a lot of sectors are are used in statistics. So if I talk about importance of statistics, so at first we by using it we can collect data or organize data, we can represent the data, we can analyze data by statistics, and we can interpret data. Also, we can make the decision by using different and correlation like correlation, also mean medium mode. By using mean medium mode we can handle missing value of the data set. So it's a lot of importance and application on statistics. So now I would like to talk about data visualization and analysis. So how we can analyze the data? We can find the correlation and scatter diagram, and we can find the measurement of central tendency of data set and predict the decision, and which types of correlation, is the correlation is positive or strong or negative. So by using it we can find those. So, if I talk about measurement of center tendency, there are three types: mean, medium, and mode. If I talk about measurement of location, we can find the expected, we can find the extreme and suspected or normal value by using box and whisker plot. So, is the value is suspected or extreme or normal on this data set, we can find and predict this by using box and whisker plot. So if I talk about correlation and between two dataset, I can find correlation between two dataset by using this formula, and the value is -1 to between the value is between -1 to +1. So depending on this value, we can predict the decision is the correlation is weak, positive, or moderate, or strong, or perfect. So if the value is 1, by using this formula we can calculate the correlation, and if the value is 1, the relation is perfect. If the value is 0, there are no relation between data set. And if the value is -1, it's similar as it is for positive, as that is perfect negative. Okay, well, and also we can find the visualization by using scatter diagram. So if there are three types, first three are represent strong positive, moderate, or no relation, and second three is for opposite direction. Is first one is represent as moderate negative, and second one is strong negative, and third one is the curve linear. Okay, so now for real life scenario we can find correlation finding. On the left we have a scatter plot that's showing the relationship between total cost and total revenue for a company dataset. Here the x level is total cost and y level is total revenue, and the relationship shows us there's a very strong positive correlation, meaning as the cost increase the revenue also tend to increase. So we use Python and Google Colab to run this analysis. So similarly for outlier finding, in the center we have box plot of BMI and blood pressure from diabetes dataset. Box plot are helpful to quickly detect outlier or data point that divided significantly from the rest. So this analysis help in identify to automatic in a patient health materials may need future investigation. So also we can find the if there is any extreme value are present on this dataset. And similarly for visualization of activity level dataset, we can on the right you will on the right we will see a pie chart of representing the distribution of physical activity level categorized into low, medium, and high. So high is 33.6% and low is 33.0 and medium is 33.4. So this visualization given a clear picture of how physical activity in individual in the dataset are. So if I talk about the coding part of this visualization, now here the scatter diagram for the dataset the X level is total cost and Y level is total revenue, and by using this code I can find the correlation. It represents us, it's a very strong positive correlation. And for outlier finding, so I use the diabetes data set. Here the every column is age, gender, BMI, blood pressure, glucose level, and so on. So is there is any extreme value are present on this data set? By using this code I can find if there is any extreme value are present or not present. So here the representative box plot of HDL. So that's all the representation of box plot, or we can call it also whisker plot. So it's for distribution of physical activity level. It represents the high, medium, and low. And by using this code I can find the high level activity, low level activity, and medium level activity. So it's a data visualization concept that I discussed. So there are a lot of sector are used in statistics. So that's all for today, and thank you for your valuable time.